Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and we're going to talk about the high-backed seat that comes in most of the AdvancedFrame line. It's a beautiful seat, contoured, nice cushy bum pad for you, and it slots in this way. So this bit is the pad, this bit's for your back, and it's got clips either side here. And you just slot it in and clip it in like so. Now what I see happen for a lot of people though, when they clip it in, they have the seat like this, because that looks good, right? That looks like it would be comfortable. But when you actually sit in it, if you have it at that angle, so I would sit bum first into the kayak, what happens then is you're not actually supported, okay? The angle is too far back. Nobody wants to sit like this. Now what you've got to do to change that angle is shuffle the seat pad back, but that's actually quite difficult when you're sitting down. So the best way to deal with this is before you get in the kayak, to angle the seat forwards, okay? So you want it so that it's almost falling in on itself. And then when you hop in, then it takes up the slack. Now that is real support, okay? I can sit back, relax, cruise around, okay? The other thing you can do, if it works for you, is adjust the seat straps. Okay, so you can unclip while you're sitting in it, and you can loosen or tighten accordingly, and then I've got the perfect support for your back. And it's worth spending a minute or two before you go paddling to get that angle right, because it makes a huge difference if you're really supported and comfortable when you're paddling. Now another thing that I see a lot of people do is they have their seat too far back in the cockpit. In this kayak in particular, in the AdvancedFrame Sport, basically you want to be as far forwards as you can be as long as you're comfortable with your feet and legs. And the reason is that when you get the weight forward, you get the bow into the water, and the bow in the water is what helps you track straight and glide seamlessly through the water. So someone of my height, I'm 164 centimeters, about 5'4", we want these straps right down here. Now, as I said, it's very difficult to move the bum pad while you're sitting on it, so I'm gonna hop up. I've got my angle so that it's almost sort of falling on top of itself. And there's still plenty of foot room in there for me. But see how I'm much further forward in the kayak, and my balance will be better, my bow will be in the water.
If you still have questions about the high back seat on the AdvancedFrame line of kayaks from Advanced Elements, please just get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.